Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve product growth strategies, complete guide step by step clearly. Define your target market clearly and understand their needs. Conduct thorough market research to identify trends and preferences. Analyze competitors to uncover their strengths and weaknesses. Develop a unique value proposition that sets your product apart. Create detailed customer personas to tailor your strategies effectively. Focus on building a strong brand identity that resonates with your audience. Leverage social media platforms to engage with potential customers. Utilize content marketing to provide value and establish authority. Invest in SEO strategies to enhance online visibility. Implement data analytics to track customer behavior and preferences. Use customer feedback to refine your product and strategies. Create a customer journey map to visualize and improve the user experience. Test different marketing channels to identify the most effective ones. Optimize pricing strategies to increase perceived value. Build partnerships and collaborations to expand reach. Monitor key performance indicators to measure success. Iterate on strategies based on gathered performance data. Focus on customer retention strategies to boost loyalty. Explore new markets for expansion opportunities. Stay adaptable to market changes and evolving customer preferences. Continuously educate yourself and your team on industry developments. Foster innovation within your team to stay ahead of the competition. Encourage open communication to gather diverse ideas and feedback. Regularly review and adjust your growth strategies for ongoing improvement. Set clear goals and timelines to keep the team aligned. Celebrate wins, no matter how small, to motivate the team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.